Today I'm going to show you how to create this web app using Hostinger Horizons AI, and I'm going to show you how to create that with one single prompt, one single click, and deploy the app in a one click. And I will even show you how to get this .com domain from Hostinger services and how cheap it is when it compares to other hosting platforms. Alright, the first thing what you want to do is go to the hostinger.com, and here you want to sign up with your Gmail, or you can use your own email. Now, if I show you how cheap it is, you can see you can literally get free domain, free website migration, and also 24/7 customer support from Hostinger. You can climb this deal, it's just less than $3 per month. And you also get additional 3 months free. Now, link will be in the description, make sure you check that out. And you can simply click on claim deal, and here you can go with any of this. Now keep in mind, the first year free domain, you'll get available the free domain for entirely for free, and also you only need to purchase the hosting of the Hostinger in a first year. So right now you can see I'm inside my Hostinger domain. So first thing what you want to do is, left side you can see this menus, right? So you want to click on these domains and go to the domain portfolio, or click on get a new domain since you will not be having any domain. So here I'm gonna go here and register my viral based on my niche and topic. I'm gonna pick my domains. Right now you can see you can pick various popular nowadays, .ai and .io is getting popular, so that is why it's it's gonna cost you more. But yeah, I'm gonna pick one domain. So right now you can see I have got my domain called viraltweetgenerator.com. so I have already purchased this. So here, if I come here, so if you want to navigate, if you want to see where you can view the website, you simply want to go inside domains, and you'll get a domain portfolio. Click on it, and here you'll see all the domains you own. Now here, once you find the domain you own, you click on the domain, and it's gonna take you to more inbuilt overview and more options. Okay, so here you will notice something called build a web app in minutes. It's a Horizon, Hostinger Horizons. Okay, so from Hostinger itself, it's like an AI integrated inside your hosting platform. You can literally create apps and website, web apps, sites, tools, landing pages, whatever it is, and you'll get a free trial. And also you can directly push to your hosting platform. Okay, now once I go here and click on try it now, it's gonna take me to Hostinger Horizons. So yeah, it's gonna take me to 7-day free trial. Now you can see it's expired, so I need to upgrade. But yeah, in the 7-day free trial you can literally create and publish, push to your hosting platform. So the thing which I've done here is I just gave a simple prompt, right? So I just told I need a web app where users can enter niche, topic, keyword, hashtag, and this tool will generate tweets or Twitter threads which can go viral when posted. The Twitter post should be human as possible, format shown real example case studies, and no complex words used confuse human readers. After generating, they also have an edit option to edit in their base side the generated tweet. Each tweet gets a virality score from ranking 0 to 100, ranking the probability of the virality, so the users can choose based on the score. Maximum tweets produced per generations 5. The UI should look cool, interactive, and you can use sliders. Now you can see literally went on creating sliders and some kind of interactive, and also get this right. So let's just test it out. So here I'm gonna give Elon Musk and click on select the single post and click on generate post, and you can see within a minute it went on create a copy. But obviously it is not relevant to the topic because you need to connect to the APIs and some backend process. Like I cannot show you the APIs and everything, right? So I'm just going to show you overview like how good the Hostinger Horizons when it comes to building a web app compared to Bold.new or the other lovable whatever developing platforms you have. So right, you have this viral score, you have this edit option, you also have this copy option, and you can also clear all. Now here you can see one more thing which is called connect to Superbase. Now it's like a you can host it, but also you can host it on Hostinger itself. So click on publish, it will directly go and push it to viraltweetgenerator.com, your domain. You can select, like it will ask you the options to select the domain where you want to push, but yeah, you can do it, and it's a really cool thing. So right now you can see your project has been published successfully. You can access it via the link below. Right now I have done this already, so it's already showing me my domain. Otherwise it will show you to select the domain and you're gonna choose. Yeah, so this is Hostinger Horizons, and there'll be a link in the description. Make sure you check that out. You'll get a free domain. That being said, catch you on the next one.